Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today we are going to be unboxing the DEWALT hook and loop random orbit sander. Performance Protect. Model number DWE6421. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we get inside. Alright, so we have the instruction booklet, always good to have and use. Then we have the dust collection bag, or it's also the same size as a shop vac or a dust collection system, so you can hook that right up to it. And then here we have the sander itself. So let me get it out of this stuff. And the bag, and we'll check her out. So, pretty heavy, which is good. You want that when you're sanding. It's got a button right here for on and off. So those right there underneath, that sucks up and gets all the dust out of the way, and then there's a fan. And let's see how the bag clips on here. You just push it forward and turn, and it locks on. Let's head on over to the plug-in here. Sorry about the messy house. And let's see how it works. Alright, so definitely has a good blowing out the side there, so you know it's going to get away all the dust. And it should work really nice. We're going to use it on the sailboat and other random stuff around the homestead. Before, all we had was a finishing sander, and that was a pain in the butt and would take forever. So I thought I'd unbox this and show you guys what was all inside, so in case you ordered it, you knew what was in there. So this was the DEWALT random orbit sander DWE6421. In the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions about it. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.